You know, with Bitcoin nearing where it is right now, close to 45,000 in the markets, you really want to take advantage of a vehicle that is paying you passively up to 6% weekly on your crypto assets. And this all goes back to this company that I shared with you very recently, a company called Agros. This is not a mining company, it is not a trading company. In fact, this, in my opinion, is a lot more sophisticated because they're using an old age industry coupled with new age technology that includes AI. The transparency is second to none. And here we can also use a powerful compounded approach to grow our crypto fast. Now we're seeing some really good momentum here in the team and the network. And if you've joined, I really want to say thank you, appreciate you, and hope you are enjoying the ride so far. If you're looking in at Agros, I've been a member now for a little over a month, perhaps a month and a half. And yeah, this is just doing its thing. Every Friday, we receive a passive disbursement of profits to our account. And if you're a team builder or you're in the network marketing space or you're an affiliate marketer and you really want to take advantage of a powerful compensation plan, then I think we have that here also with Agros. Now, I do want to remind you, of course, that passive crypto platforms just like this one do carry risk. So it's really important if you do decide to participate that you do so only with funds that you can afford to lose. Remember that the earnings here are never guaranteed whatsoever. We're in choppy waters when it comes to the crypto space and the markets. You know, coins are fluctuating all the time. We have no idea where the valuations are going to be of any of these currencies, but it's my best bet that things are looking up in the markets right now. We could soon be approaching a nice bull run, and you really want to take advantage of that when the currencies are on the rise. You don't want to get involved in opportunities right at the peak of a currency. You want to steadily accumulate crypto at a point where it's on an upward trajectory in the markets. And I think we've got the perfect vehicle for it here with Agros. What I like about this is that the rewards here aren't blown out. They're not overinflated. In fact, you can generate up to 6% a week, which is really quite sizable. But the percentages, the rewards, actually achieve at a baseline of around 3% weekly. So, you know, this is not like some of these other platforms that you see that are here today and gone tomorrow, these fly-by-night, overinflated ROI platforms. It's nothing like that. This is a company that has got real infrastructure. They are in the farming and agricultural sector, and this is how we achieve these rewards each week, based on the profitability of the fruits and crops that are being exported out of Turkey. And these guys have contracts in several areas within Europe. And again, this has all been proven. I've shared many video clips, I've shared invoices, I've shared, you know, the management team, you name it. And as we delve deeper into our journey here with this business model, I continue to share more along the way, just to show you that these guys are the real deal. That doesn't mean it's free of risk. I want to make that implicitly clear. Once again, models like this always carry risk, especially when it's a business that you have zero to no control over, right? We are really banking on this company remaining profitable. We are banking on them, you know, penetrating the markets really well. And that's how we are remunerated every single week. But you can get started here from just $50. So a very low barrier to entry. And in my opinion, relatively low risk, especially if you're somebody who wants to double, even triple your crypto here. And that's exactly what you can do with the debt slots. You can check that out in some of the other videos. We may go into it now, but what I really want to do is take the profits received from my account today. It's Friday. I'm shooting this video a little bit later than what I wanted to, but it's been a pretty hectic day for me. But I wanted to share this with you ASAP so that you're just aware that they are continuing to do their thing. We are continuing to receive profits here. The team is growing really nice, and we are banking crypto along the way. And that's what it's all about. This isn't about me, this is about you. I want to help you along your journey to achieve your goals, and of course, to help you grow your crypto assets. So, like I said, I share opportunities that I feel can add value. This is one, if you want to remain as a spectator, that is completely your call. That's cool with me. It's no problem at all. But if you're somebody who wants to take advantage of passive crypto opportunities, you really want to do so at the earliest point in time, because the sooner you can get in is the sooner you can reach that break-even point and then move into profits. If you wait a long time, there's no guarantee as to where this company could be 6 months, a year down the line. My bet is that they're going to be here for some time. But of course, you want to make sure that you are accumulating that crypto, using a compounded approach when buying these debt slots. The debt slots basically are packages, and that's how we're able to create additional layers of income, passive income, and increase the amount that we're accumulating in crypto here. But yeah, up to 6% a week is no joke. It's something that you can't ignore. It's no small fry. So yeah, I would definitely encourage you to take a look at this, especially if you're looking for something new where there is transparency, and you're looking for something that has got nothing to do with crypto trading or mining. Then I think we've got a winner here. Look, let's go into the account now. We're going to actually withdraw, and you can see the minus icon on the orange section in the top left. And we're going to click on that area now. We just hit our recent rank of bronze. So everybody starts off as a partner, and then you move from partner to bronze. You unlock some USDT and some other benefits. And now we're on the journey up to silver. So we can see passively here from my main balance, I can withdraw $92. So let's go ahead and do that first. And then we're going to go ahead and withdraw any profits or commissions achieved from the referral balance, right? I always like to remain completely transparent. I think it's really important. I want you to get a bird's eye overview of the digits as they appear on the screen. You can see everything that's going on. If you're noticing there is a frozen balance in the main balance, the reason for that is because Agros actually pay all members 1 week in arrears. So as you move along your journey, that frozen balance starts to shift over into the available balance. So it's kind of like a rolling reserve. A lot of financial companies actually have this. Okay, let's go ahead now. Let's move the profits out into an external wallet. We are withdrawing out in USDT TRC20, so on the Tron network, which is, it's fast. And if I receive these funds, which is generally quite quick, I mean, I've received the funds in like 10 minutes. It's that rapid, right? If I receive the funds in my Exodus wallet tonight, then I'll share a clip of that. Okay, let's go ahead and let's withdraw that. Okay, let's go to the referral balance now. Okay, and we've got $291 that we can take out there. So what's that? All in all, just shy of $400, something like that. Man, trying to do maths when you're recording. Okay, so the same again. We're just going to withdraw out in USDT TRC20. Now I want to take you over to the debt slots area. This basically is where you purchase your packages. Like I said, you can get started from just $50. As you can see on the left-hand side, there is a package that's called Start, and that is $50, and it will provide you with yearly profits of circa 190%. And that's huge already. For the basic package, you're close to doubling your crypto on that single package alone. Then we shift up to the $250 debt slot. It's paying 201%, so $250 becomes $500 back to your account, and that's over a period of around 1 year. Then you've got again the $1,000 package. That will continue to pay you until you receive $2,100 back to your account and a weekly profit of circa 4% weekly. Now, I really want to impress this upon you that you are looking at these numbers here in isolation. I want you to look at a scenario whereby you're receiving these profits on a weekly basis. You then take a proportion of those profits or all the profits and compound those profits by repurchasing additional debt slots. And that's the key here. That's how you're able to grow and accelerate, that accumulation of crypto to your account. You can see things really step up here. The $10,000 package, by example, that's paying you 287% yearly. So that's $10,000 in, $28,700 out. Yeah, no joke. So it's 5.5% weekly. And like I mentioned, the profits along your journey, you can repurchase additional debt slots. They basically are multiple and additional layers of passive income that you can add to your account. So you're not limited to just one single package here. You can have a number of packages running in your account, each providing you with these passive rewards. And you can see we've got the exclusive package right in the bottom left, $25,000. That's providing 3x your deposit amount that you can expect to receive over a year period. So 25,000 in, $75,000 out. And of course, the beast at $100,000, that's paying 323%. So that's a massive $323,000 that you can expect out from a $100,000 deposit, providing a 6.2% weekly yield on your deposit. So really sizable rewards here. And I like this model. It's actually a breath of fresh air that this has got nothing to do with mining or trading. You can't validate companies like that in the crypto space, or at least it's very difficult to. With this, we've seen the videos, we've seen the warehousing, we've seen the crop, we've seen the export documents, we've seen a lot, right? So that's just provided me with a ton of confidence here. And I think that's why the team is continuing to grow now at some pace, because I think other people now who are joining can see the transparency as well. Now, what I want to do is I want to share more with Agros. Recently, they've just been involved in a leadership event in India, and now they moved to Mexico. So just a very short clip I want to share with you. Check out what's going on with Agros. But yeah, the journey here has been, so far so good. It's been a little over a month, and we are making crypto, right, as you can see. Listen, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate you. If you want to get started with Agros, click the link directly beneath this video. You can unlock this as another stream of passive income that pays you weekly. And you saw the rewards here. This is definitely one that you can grow and scale with. And the compensation plan, if you check out some of my other videos, you'll see the compensation plan that I shared. This is so powerful for anybody who wants to share out with others. And those of you who may not even be involved in the network marketing or MLM space or affiliate marketing space, by the time you start to receive your rewards, it's so likely that you're going to be sharing out with friends or family, But, that's up to you. You can just come into this completely passive. You don't need to share this with anybody else. The rewards are big enough without even sharing. But I like to share opportunities when they are hot in the industry. I think it'd be a complete disservice if I didn't share this with you. I know people are looking for something new, and I think we have that here with Agros. So check this out. Click the link directly beneath this video. Get started from just $50. It's hardly breaking the bank. And, it will give you, a small test so you can see how things go. And if you gain more confidence, then you can step things up along the way in your journey. I'll see you in the next video. Let's go get them.
International Leadership Tour. November 25th. Conference in New Delhi, Rosette House Hotel. Next station, December 10th, conference in Mexico City. Don't miss your chance. Come join us.